It cracks like glass, melts like silk, and hides a royal secret under its caramel shell. You've seen it on menus. You've tapped it with a spoon. But what if I told you this elegant little dessert was once banned? And no one really knows who made it first. This is not just a story about custard. It's about a dessert born from power, war, fire, and maybe even a little food fraud. You're watching Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Make sure to subscribe and keep watching to the very end, because this one, it's going to crack wide open. Let's go back, way back. Medieval Europe, stone kitchens, smoke in the rafters, monks, royalty, and noble chefs all obsessed over the same thing: eggs, cream, and sugar. 3 simple ingredients. Expensive, yes, but when baked slowly, they turned into gold. Custards appeared everywhere, from the Vatican to Versailles. Software sweet, rich, served at coronations and Last Suppers. But then something strange happened. 3 countries, France, England, and Spain, all claimed they'd invented the same thing: a silky custard with a burned sugar top. In France, they called it Crème Brûlée. In England, burnt cream. In Spain, crema catalana. Same dessert, different stories, and zero agreement. So, who actually made it first? France pointed to a cookbook from 1691. A royal recipe, sugar scorched with a red-hot iron right before serving. Voila, crème brûlée. But England fired back with an old college tale. Trinity College, Cambridge. Students branding custards with the school crest. Basically, dessert with a logo. Spain? Spain laughed. They had crema catalana way before anyone else, with cinnamon and lemon zest, of course. But here's where it gets even weirder. Some say King Louis XIV, the Sun King himself, once banned rich dairy-based desserts from the royal court. Why? Health fears. Milk was seen as dangerous. Eggs were corruptive. Custards, suspiciously delicious. So crème brûlée went underground. Imagine it. A black market dessert made in secret, served behind palace doors. A rebellion of caramelized sugar. Centuries later, the flame was relit, literally. In the 1980s, French chefs brought crème brûlée back with a bang. And a blowtorch. That signature crack? It became a status symbol. Every upscale restaurant had it. And today, it's everywhere. Matcha crème brûlée in Tokyo, coconut brûlée in Miami. You'll find it at weddings, diners, maybe even gas stations, though we wouldn't recommend that one. The toppings change, the shape shifts, but that moment, spoon meets sugar, crack, stays the same. So, what do we really know? Who invented it? No one agrees. Who banned it? Possibly a king with digestive issues. Who brought it back? Chefs with fire and flair. But one thing's certain. A dish this delicate doesn't just survive for 300 years. It earns its place. Through empires, egos, and evolution. Crème brûlée cracked its way into history. And into our hearts. Or, at least our dessert stomach. Now it's your turn. Ever made crème brûlée at home? Classic vanilla? Lavender? Duck fat brûlée? Okay, maybe not that one. Or maybe yes. Drop your wildest versions in the comments below. And if you've ever burned sugar with a spoon and a lighter, you're officially one of us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This was Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Next time, we're digging into another dish with secrets hiding under the surface. Bon appétit!